Starting a multi-vendor application is now easy. Check out our latest multi-vendor, multi-service application, Gojek Clone, that we have created for one of our clients. This is the app. You get a user app, seller app, driver app, complete live tracking and everything. When you open the app, it takes your location. And this is the app. You can see food delivery, grocery delivery, tour and travels, fashion, courier, bike booking, taxi booking, medicine booking, service booking, hotel booking, everything in one app. You can see automatic moving sliders like this. And now a customer can log in by email ID, password or mobile number OTP login. Both are available inside the application. And that's how a customer can easily log in. Now the customer can click on food and now he can add to cart products like this. He will see restaurant nearby him only and now he can click on checkout. And now before making an order, let's make sure our seller is online. This is the seller app. Our seller is online. And also let's make sure our driver is online. So if I click on this, now the driver is offline and now the driver is online. The customer can make an order. The order will go to the seller. The seller will accept that order and then the order will go to the driver. That's how a customer can choose his address. Now the customer can pay by cash on delivery or online payment and click on place order. And that's how a customer will be placing an order by using the ready-made Gojek Clone application. Now this order come to the seller like this. And now he will accept the order. He can see the customer detail. He can chat with the customer, call the customer. And that's how a customer can make an order and the seller can accept the order. And now he can assign a delivery boy for this order, who is the nearby online delivery man who will get the order. And that is how a delivery man can get an order. He can see the order details. He can chat. He can see the complete order detail. And that's how the delivery man will start the order. And now let's see in the customer app, go to my orders and now you can see the order is processing. And that's how a customer can live track the order. He can also chat with the driver and he can also chat with the seller. And this is the verification code the customer is having. The driver will need to add this verification code to complete the order like this. And yeah, that's how a delivery man will complete the order. And that's how order booking works in our Gojek Clone 2023. If you are looking for a complete Gojek Clone with latest features and fastest version, then you can directly contact our team. Number is showing on your screen, so we can help you to make your complete Gojek Clone with food delivery, grocery delivery, taxi booking, bike booking, parcel booking, service booking, hotel booking, everything in one app with multi-vendor, multi-language, multi-location application. And this is the complete Gojek Clone live demo and showing you how food delivery, grocery delivery and other features work. And now let me show you how grocery delivery works in the same Gojek Clone. And that's how I can log in as a grocery seller. I can add products here. I can see my orders and everything. And now a customer will go to the application and he will make an order to a grocery seller. So he can see all the nearby sellers, products, categories, everything. Remember, if you will open the application in Mumbai, you will see the sellers of Mumbai. If you open the application in Delhi, you will see the sellers of Delhi. And yeah, that's how a customer make an order of grocery. Now this order will go to the seller like this. And now the seller will accept this order easily by using the seller app. And that's how the grocery delivery order is working in the application. If you are looking for a complete multi-vendor, multi-service application, this is the best solution for you. For more, you can directly contact our team so our team can help you the best. We can provide you user Android app, driver Android app, seller Android app, admin panel and website and 1 year free technical support. If you are looking for Android plus iOS, we can give you user Android app, driver Android app, seller Android app, user iOS app, driver iOS app, seller iOS app, website and admin and 1 year free technical support. For any help, you can directly contact our team. You will get complete 1 year free technical support and you can renew the technical support for $42 per year after 1 year. And you can get the complete application ready to launch on Play Store and Apple App Store. For any query regarding the application, regarding the feature, regarding the support or anything else, you can directly contact our team. The number is showing on the screen, or you can also visit raunix.com. So our team can help you the best. We are here to give you the best multi-service application with best features, live tracking, online payment and everything. So what are you waiting for? Start your own Gojek Clone today and get your multi-service app launched in the market. And now let's understand how service booking works in our Gojek Clone application. And that's how I can log in the service seller in my application. That's how service seller looks. And now I can go to the user app and I can make a service booking order in the Gojek Clone 2023. And yeah, that's how a user make a service booking easily by using the Gojek Clone. Easy and simple method. And now you can see this booking inside the seller app of the service person. Like this, the service person can accept this booking. From here, you can also control in the application that you are open or you are closed, what is your commission, everything can be controlled by the current system. And now the service provider will click on ready. And now the customer can track the whole service and he can also control to chat or call with the provider. And now he will click on delivered. And that's how a service can be booked on the Gojek Clone 2023, a complete service booking app, complete multi-vendor app. And now you can give a 5-star rating to the provider. Remember, in the current application, if anybody pays online, the money will go to admin. Admin will cut his commission and send the rest to the seller. If somebody pays offline, then the money will go to the person like driver and seller. If you have any other query, you can directly contact our team. If you want to make your complete Gojek Clone 2023, this is the best step for you. For more, kindly contact us and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.